See children, here is question number 1. Find the sum. Means addition we have to do. If you have not seen my previous video, please watch that. Then you can easily understand the operations on rational number and this exercise will get easier for you. Okay. So start with me. The very first part of this is 5 upon 4 plus minus 11 by 4. This is very simple question. Both the denominators are similar, तो हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. Just like fraction, we have to take LCM. What 4 हमने LCM ले लिया. Okay, 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. तो ऊपर वाला numerator as it is आ जाता है. तो it will be 5 का 5 आ गया plus sign. Okay, I have taken plus sign and in the bracket I'll write minus 11. Yes, minus 11 है. तो इसका न्यूमरेटर हम इसी तरह से लिख देंगे. दिस विल बी minus 11. So this is equal to what? 5 plus minus is minus and 11. Plus into minus is minus and 11, that is equal to 5 में से 11 जा सकता है? No. Plus and minus we will do. Sign will be of bigger number, that is of 11. तो minus sign आ जाएगा and 11 minus 5 is what? Minus 6. That is equal to this one, minus 6 by what? 4. Now see, अब ये तो इसको simplest form में करेंगे हम. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So what is your answer? Always find the answer in its simplest form. This is necessary. So minus 3 by 2 is your answer. Let's come to the second part. See children, here also just like fraction, दोनों denominators different हैं. That means we have to take LCM. 3 और 5 का LCM लेने की जरूरत नहीं. Why? Because in both the numbers we are having only one as a common factor. तो directly multiply कर देते हैं हम. 3 5s are 15. Now 3 कितने से 15? 5s are 15. That means here we have multiplied 5. तो ऊपर भी हमें 5 से multiply करना पड़ेगा. तो 5 5s are कितना हो गया? 25 plus. Now 5 कितने से? 5 3s are 15. So 3 into 3 is what? 6. That is equal to plus sign है. कुछ भी नहीं करना. Just add up and write the answer. This is 31 upon 15. 31 is a prime number. नहीं कटेगा 15 से. So what? This is your answer. Let's come to its third part. That is minus 9 by 10 upon minus 9 by 10 plus what? 22 by 15, right? 22 by 15. See children, here 10 and 15. 10 and 15 का हमें LCM लेना पड़ेगा because they are having what? 5 as a common factor. हमने ले लिया 10 and 15 का LCM. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. This is 2 and this is 3. So 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are what? 10 3s are 30. So what is your LCM? Your LCM is 30. Right children? So 10 कितने are 30? 10 3s are 30. तो 9 7s are 9 3s are 27. Right? 9 3s are 27. This is minus sign. Put minus sign. Minus 27. अब plus का sign है. Plus का sign लगा देते हैं. Now 15 कितने are? 15 2s are 30. So this into 2. 22 2s are, yes, 44. It is simple. अब 7 में से 4 गया. सी प्लस माइनस करेंगे, माइनस साइन आएगा बिगर नंबर का. बिगर नंबर इज व्हाट? 44. दैट मीन्स बिगर नंबर का साइन पॉजिटिव आएगा. पॉजिटिव लिखने की हमें जरूरत नहीं होती. नाउ अब 44 में से लेस करेंगे हम 27 को. चिल्ड्रन व्हाट यू विल गेट? सी 7 and this is 3. This is 1. So what is your answer? 17 upon 30. 17 is also a prime number. It will not go with any other number. So what is your answer? Your answer is 17 upon 30. So children, in this way you can do fourth question also. Okay, let's do fourth because it is having both the numerator as well as denominator negative sign है. That means both will get cancelled. चलो उसको करते हैं. See children, here both the numbers are negative. चलो इसको पहले हम लोग पॉजिटिव बना लेते हैं. माइनस माइनस क्या करेंगे? माइनस 3 माइनस 11 जस्ट कैंसिल इट. कैंसिल हो गया. प्लस 5 by 9. अब तो सिंपल है आपके लिए करना. 11 और 9 दोनों का एलसीएम कितना आ गया? 99. राइट? बोथ numbers are, this number is prime number, one is the दैट कॉमन फैक्टर, तो हमने क्या ले लिया, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई एंड वी हैव टेकन 99 एज एलसीएम. तो 11 कितने सा 99 होगा, 11 9 सा, दैट मीन्स विद 9 वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 3, तो दिस इज 27, राइट. प्लस साइन इज देयर, प्लस 9 कितने सा, 9 11 सा, दिस इज 55. सो what is your answer? 5 plus 7, that is 22, carry 1, 6 7 8, 82 by 99, 8 9 10, no, it will not go with 3. It will not go with 3. What is your answer? 82 by 99. So children, in this way you have to do its fourth part. Now fifth part is simple, you can do sixth part. With 0 you have to add, तो 0 के साथ अगर add करना होगा तो sixth part, let's see this, minus 2 by 3 plus 0, that means 0 upon 1. 0 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है, that means what, 1 is there, 3 is the LCM. Now this is minus 2 plus what, 1 कितने सा, 1 3 सा, but 0 को किसी भी number से करेंगे will get the same. So what is your answer, children? That is the same number, minus 2 by 3. This is your answer, right? Let's come to the next question, that is seventh part. Seventh part कुछ भी नहीं है, आपको mixed fraction में दिया हुआ है. Just make it improper first, then solve it in the same way as we have done. Let's come to question number 2. See children, here is your second question you have to find, means this is based on subtraction, right? See the very first part of this, that is 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. Both the numbers, means both the denominators are different. So firstly what we have to take, we have to find out the LCM. So just find out the LCM of 24 and 36. 24 and 36, okay? 2 1s are 2s are, 2 1s are 2 8s are. 2 6 are 12 and 2 9s are 18. Now 2 3s are 6, 9 will not go. Now with 3 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are, and 3 1 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 9s are 72. So what is your LCM? LCM is 72, right? So we have taken LCM what, 72. Now 24 कितने सा, तो इसको करने का एक बहुत आसान तरीका क्या है, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, यानी कि यहाँ पे 24 आ गया हमारा. अब 24 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई किया, क्या मल्टीप्लाई किया, 3 को, यू विल गेट व्हाट, 72. मतलब 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो ऊपर भी 3 से करेंगे, तो 7 3s is 21, right? नो नेगेटिव साइन, माइनस, दिस इज 17 एंड हियर इट इज 36. अब हमें 36 चाहिए. 36 कैसे मिलेगा, देखते हैं. 9, ओके, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. यहां तक हमारा 36 आ गया. बचा क्या, 2 बचा, तो हमें इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 36 2s are 72, तो इसको भी हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे. सो दिस इज व्हाट, 17 2s are 34. नाउ चिल्ड्रन जस्ट सी, दिस इज नेगेटिव साइन इज बिगर देन पॉजिटिव, मीन्स प्लस माइनस करेंगे. माइनस, बिगर नंबर के आगे माइनस का साइन है, पुट माइनस साइन, ठीक है. 34 में से 21 लेस करेंगे, तो 4 minus 1 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is what, 1. So it is 70 minus 13 by 72. Now 72, it will go with 72. Let's see, 13 की टेबल में 72 आता है. 4s are 4, 3s are 12, no. Then it will not come. नहीं आता, तो this is your answer. What is your answer? Minus 13 by 72. Let's come to its second part. See children, this is your second part. 5 upon 63 minus 6 by 21. That means here again just see, denominators are different. Before this I just make it simpler. हम इसको क्या कर लें, ब्रैकेट को रिमूव कर दें, तो माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस बन गया, राइट. नाउ दिस इज 6 by 21. अब हमारे लिए आसान हो गया. अब हम लोग इसका एलसीएम निकाल लेते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट, 63 and 21, राइट. नाउ 6 and 3, ये दोनों ही, इसका यूनिट प्लेस 3 है, इसका 1 है, 2 से तो जाएगा नहीं. लेट्स सी विथ 3, 21 3 से चला जाएगा. एंड 63, लेट्स सी 6 plus 3 is 9. Yes, it will also go with 3. तो हम लोग इसको 3 से कट करते हैं. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Now with 3 again, 3 7s are 7, ऐसे ही रहेगा. Now 7 1s are and 1s are, तो 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This is our LCM. So our LCM is what? 27. 3 2s are 6, 1s are 3 7s are, ये 7, 9 7s are, 3 7s are I have written, 9 7s are is 63. That is why I am thinking कि यहाँ 63 होने के बाद कम तो LCM आएगा नहीं. Okay, so what is your LCM? LCM is what? 63. So 63 कितने are 63? 1s are, that means into 1, that is 5. प्लस का साइन, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती प्लस वाले में. तो 21 कितने सा 63 देख लेते हैं. 7 3 सा 21, 21 के बाद बचा क्या है? 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. तो दिस यू विल गेट व्हाट? 18. नाउ यू विल गेट 18 प्लस 5, 18 19 20 and 23. Now 23 is a prime number. It will not go with any other number, right? So 23 upon 63 is your answer. Now let's come to C part. Also you can do by yourself, but no, okay, I'm just telling you third part, fourth part you just do by yourself, and fifth part I'll do. See children, this is the third part. कुछ नहीं है इसमें, बस एक साइड नेगेटिव था, that's why I have taken the question. You can do it very easily. See, -6/13 as it is लिखेंगे, but इस ब्रैकेट को हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप में रिमूव कर देंगे. माइनस माइनस क्या हो गया? प्लस हो गया. 7/15, राइट? 13 इज अ प्राइम नंबर, तो दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई ही करना पड़ेगा. जस्ट टू फाइंड आउट द एलसीएम. एलसीएम इज 13 into 15. साइड में करके देख लेते हैं इसको. 5 3s are 15 के 5, carry 1 5 5, 6 3 and 1, that is 5 9 1 195 is our LCM. Now 13 कितने जा? 15 जा, तो 15 6 जा 90 ना. Yes, 90 minus 90. Why? Because we are having minus sign here. तो minus 90 आ गया. प्लस का क्या आएगा? 15 कितने जा? 195, that is into 13 किया था, तो हम इसको 13 से करेंगे. 13 7 जा I think 51. No, 7 3s are 21 के 1 2, 7 3s are 21 के 1 and 2, 7 1s are 7 8 9 91. So what is your answer? Just see. माइनस प्लस क्या करेंगे? करेंगे माइनस. साइन विल बी ऑफ बिगर नंबर, दैट इज 91 minus 90 is 1 upon 195. So children, this is your answer. In this way you have to do third question. Fourth, do by yourself, and fifth is also very simple. Only the question is they have given 6. तो 6 जब भी कोई भी नंबर सिंगल दिया हो, दैट मीन्स इसका डिनोमिनेटर 1 है. So you just do by yourself. If you are getting any problem, just ask me in the comment box. Write that in the comment box. I'll tell you if you're getting any problem. Let's come to the third question, that is product. Find the product. See children, here is your question number 3, that is find the product of. Okay, so here is 9/2 into minus 7/4. अगर न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर कट रहा है तो आप उसको कट करेंगे, नहीं कटेगा तो जस्ट डू द प्रोडक्ट. मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमरेटर टू न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर टू डिनोमिनेटर. लेट्स सी. 9/2 into minus 7/4. 9 or 4? No. 7 and 2? No. That means what we have to do? 9 into minus 7 करेंगे, divided by 2 into 4 करेंगे, right? What is our answer? See, 9 7s are 63, minus का 63 and 2 4s are 8, right? Both will not cut, just it is in mixed fraction, तो हम इसको, sorry, not mixed fraction, improper है, तो हमें इसको mix में करना पड़ेगा. So what will be our answer? 8 8s are 64 होता है. 8 7s are करके देख लेते हैं. 8 sevens are, that means denominator will be 8 only. 7 8s are 56. 56 में कितना ऐड करेंगे? अगर आपको ऐसे नहीं आ रहा है, just do it here. This is 7s are 8 sevens are 56. 13 में से 6 गया, 7 is left, and okay, 7 is left. So 7 by 8 is your answer, right? So in this way you have to do the question. Let's come to the next. See, here is 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 into 9. Minus 9 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है. That means what is there? Minus 1 is not minus 1. 1 is there. Okay. Now 9 and 10. No, it will not go. 3 and 1. It will not go. 3 and 10. It will not go. That means again we have to do the product. 3 into minus 9 upon 10 into 1 is 10 only. I have written directly 10. So what is your answer? See children, this is 3 9s are 27 upon 10 minus 27 upon 10 is your answer. Again here numerator is bigger than denominator, that means improper fraction. फिर इसको हम mixed fraction में कर लेंगे. Just divide it. I am dividing it here. 27 है, 10 से जाएगा, 2s are 20, left remainder is 7, तो remainder आता है ऊपर, and 10 will be down, denominator ही रहता है, and the quotient will come where? This side 2. 2 10s are 20 plus 7 is 27 upon 10. So children, in this way you have to do the product. Let's come to its third part. हो जाएगा आपसे. Fourth part पे आते हैं. Fourth and sixth part I am just telling you. See children, here is your fourth part and sixth part. Fifth part you have to do by yourself. Product of numerator divided by product of denominator. Why? Because numbers are not cutting. Okay, numerator denominator cut नहीं रहा, तो just do the product. Okay, let's see this one question. Here what you have to do, आपको देखना है पहले कुछ cancel हो रहा है कि नहीं. 2 and 7 no, 3 and 5 no. That means we have to do what? The product, right? This is 7 into 5. So what is this? 3 2s are 6 minus 6 by 35. So this is your answer. Why? It will not go with any number. So this is only the answer, right? Now see, in this question, यहाँ पे I just enjoy doing these type of question. I think you are also enjoying. 3 and 3, yes, this will go. And minus 5 से minus 5 cancel हो गया. So what is left children? This is 1. 1 is your answer. So in this way you have to do the product. Let's come to fourth question. This is of division. See children, this is question number 4. Find the value of. This is based on division. Yes. Minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3. Minus 4 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है. That means 1. एक चीज आपको हमेशा माइंड में रखनी है, what? कि हम फर्स्ट नंबर को कभी भी चेंज नहीं करते. वॉट एवर द चेंजेस विल हैपन with this one fraction. Okay, means by what we are dividing वो चेंज होगा, लेकिन जिसको डिवाइड कर रहे हैं that will not change. Means dividend will not get changed. Okay, so let's see here. This is minus 4, तो minus 4 ही रहेगा. minus 4 upon 1 हो जाएगा, right? And division it will become the reciprocal. division मतलब इसका reciprocal, इस number का reciprocal ले लेंगे. reciprocal means if the number is a, what is the reciprocal? This is 1 upon a. If the number is minus a, 1 upon a, the reciprocal will be a upon 1. That means अगर 2 by 3 है तो इसका reciprocal क्या होगा? 3 by 2, right? So in this way children, आप देखेंगे इसको कट रहा है. Yes, 2 2s are 4. So what is your answer? See, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. This is our answer. Minus 6 is our answer. Let's come to its next part. That is its second part. Minus 3 by 5 divided by 2. 2 के नीचे कुछ नहीं है. That means what? 1 is there. So it will be minus 3 upon 5. Division will become multiplication और इसका reciprocal हो जाएगा. This is 1 upon 2, right? it will not go. Okay, so product of numerator, that is minus 3 upon 10. Okay, so what is your answer? Minus 3 by 10. So children, in this way you have to do the question. Let's come to, I am not telling you third part, fourth part हम लोग करते हैं, उसके बाद हम लोग next करते हैं. Okay, see children, here is minus 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. जब इधर अगर नेगेटिव साइन नहीं है तो बहुत सिंपल हो जाता है क्वेश्चन. See, minus 1 by 8. Why? Because as we are doing the division of fraction in the same way you have to do here. तो ये division है, it will become multiplication. इसका reciprocal कर देंगे, it will 4 will go up, 3 will come down. Right? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. This is minus 1 upon 6. Right? Let's come to its sixth part. Fifth part is similar, that's why I'm not doing fourth के जैसा, just similar to this is fifth part. Sixth part in your book, question number 4 का sixth part देखेंगे. This is what? Minus 7 upon 12 divided by what? Minus 2 upon 13. Right? These are the question of your book, NCERT book. I'm having that, I'm doing from that. So इसमें देखेंगे sixth part. That is minus 7 upon 12. तो पहले हम लोग इसको लिख लेते हैं minus 7 upon 12, right? Division है, it will become multiplication and it will get reversed. अब reverse हो गया तो क्या आ गया ये? 13 upon minus 2, right? अब न्यूमरेटर में एक नेगेटिव साइन है, डिनोमिनेटर में एक नेगेटिव साइन है, it will get cancel कर दो. हो गया. अब ये किसी से कट रहा है? No. That means product of numerator 13 sevens are 21 के 1, this is 91 upon 24. So this is your answer children. 24 3 से नहीं जाएगा. Okay. So this is your answer. Sixth part भी हो गया. In the same way you have to do sixth part. चलो एक seventh part, last part भी हम लोग कर लेते हैं. Let's do the seventh part. See children, here is 3 upon 13 divided by, तो multiplication हो जाएगा. 65 will be up and this is down. Okay. So 13 5s are 65. ये तो कट गया. Now what is left? Left is 15 upon minus 4. See children, rational number जब भी हम इसके standard form की बात करते हैं, कभी भी negative sign में हमारा denominator नहीं होता. So what we will do, we'll just multiply it with minus 1 and minus 1. न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को हम -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. वाई? बिकॉज वी मस्ट नॉट हैव नेगेटिव साइन इन द डिनोमिनेटर. इसके स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में आंसर निकालेंगे. दिस विल बिकम -15 by 4. राइट? दिस इज योर आंसर. माइनस माइनस बिकम प्लस एंड 15 1 is 50. माइनस का माइनस. -15 by 4. So children, in this way we have completed our exercise 9.2. Hope you understood this. Okay, मिलते हैं अपनी next video में with the next new chapter. Till then, goodbye, take care and continue watching the videos regularly. Subscribe, share and like my videos. Thank you and have a nice day. Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Radha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 7th and the chapter we are doing is rational numbers. Rational number में आज मैं आपको new exercise कराने जा रही हूँ, that is exercise 9.2. In that we have to do some of the questions. So just start with me. Question number 1.